Hello everybody, how's it going? Welcome to a new video from Blogger Maniac. Today we are going to see how Zoom app works. Okay, once we have registered in this web, in the Zoom web, how I start a meeting? Okay, is the first question. Or how I join a meeting? In this web, in this page, in the profile, personal info, we have this kind of information: your personal meeting ID, your link, and all other kinds of stuff. But if you want to start a conversation or a meeting or video conference, you have to click in the right hand in the top, schedule a meeting. You click there, you're gonna have this kind of information. Topic, you have topic, hello, I don't know, description, okay, you fill the gap when you're according to your topics or whatever you want, and you have to record this. Your Zoom basic plan has 40-minute time limit of meeting with 3 or more participants. Upgrade now to enjoy an unlimited group meeting. Of course you have to pay for that, okay? And meeting ID generate automatically or personal meeting according to personal info, okay? You have to remember this. Or meeting password, if you have to send the password to your partner. And if you want all kind of information is correct according to your will, you click save. Okay, this is the important thing: the meeting ID and join URL, this link. Okay, this number and this link you have to send to your partner or the other person. You have to this number, meeting ID, or this link you have to send the other person. Okay, you have copy link, copy invitation, click, and you send the link, or this number is the same number in the link. Okay, this number and the other person fill the gap with this number or link, and he will be able to talk with you. Okay, and if you want, and in the other case, if you have to join a meeting, click join a meeting, and you fill the gap with meeting ID or personal link name, which is this number and this link. Your copy this number or invitation from the other person to send to you, and click join. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe and give me a like and comment. Okay, and see ya in another video of Blogger Maniac. Bye.